These 10 maintenance tasks don't need a lift, a shop, or a lucky wallet. They need attention, quiet, boring attention that makes your car feel newer to every buyer who touches it. Dealers call it condition. Shoppers call it, "This one just feels right." Two identical models can sell thousands apart because one shifts clean, tracks straight, and smells like nothing. One habit on this list even shields you from a surprise title hit on appraisal day. To see how small steps create big resale, start where hands and eyes judge first, then work outward to the stuff no photo shows. Task number 10. Refresh the touch points buyers actually touch. Shiny steering wheels, crusty shift boots, and polished slick pedal pads scream hard miles. Fix that. Clean and re-dye the wheel if it's leather, replace the boot if it's torn, swap tired pedal covers so the rubber is grippy, not glassy. Wipe buttons and screens with an electronic safe cleaner so gloss reads as clean, not greasy. Quiet the rattly trim with new clips and felt tabs where plastic meets plastic. When the first grab feels solid, buyers relax, and a relaxed buyer is a generous buyer. Next, make the air they breathe feel new, not used. Task number 9. Reset the cabin air path. Filter to vents. A clogged cabin filter strangles the blower and leaves a stale film. Replace it, vacuum the housing, and make sure the evaporator drain isn't plugged. Mist an enzyme cleaner through the intake to kill funk, then run heat and AC to dry the case. Dust the vents with a soft brush and treat plastics and leather with a matte UV-safe dressing. No greasy glare. Fresh airflow and neutral scent make people linger, and lingering is how they notice your other good decisions. With the cabin calm, it's time to fix the one thing a test drive exposes in 30 seconds. Task number 8. Alignment and road force balance with proof. Nothing reads cheap like a car that drifts or a wheel that shimmies at 100 kilometers per hour. Ask for a 4-wheel alignment and a road force balance. Get the before and after printouts. Rotate so the best pair goes up front and set pressures cold to the placard. A straight tracking car makes driveways, off-ramps, and photo angles all feel better. Put the alignment sheet in your ad images. Evidence beats adjectives. If the wheel still wanders, plan on control arm bushings or ball joints now, not after a buyer finds them. Speaking of red flags, the next fix kills the one that scares buyers most. Task number 7. Stop the weeps, them clean like a pro. Damp valve covers or sweaty transmission pans spook people. Replace the gasket, torque properly, and degrease the bay and splash shields. No shiny dressings that look like cover-up. Drive a week, recheck for drips, and keep the receipt. Show dry since service during the walk-around. A clean, dry underbody sells trust and glides through pre-purchase inspections. With leaks gone, leverage the cheapest upgrades that feel expensive from the driver's seat.
Task number 6. Service fluids correctly. Label and log everything. Run the exact oil spec with a quality filter. Leave a dated reminder and stack the receipt. For automatics, drop the pan, change the filter, clean magnets, refill to spec, and reset adaptations if your car uses them. Bleed brake fluid until it tests strong. Use the correct coolant chemistry. Refresh power steering and differential fluids on schedule. Photograph receipts and paint pen the date and mileage on reservoirs. A neat logbook turns maybe into yes before anyone asks. Now make the car easier to see at night and prettier in photos. Task number 5. Fix the view. Windshield, wipers, headlamps. Filled chips before they spider. Replace streaky wipers and aim washer nozzles high. Restore yellowed headlamps with a proper kit and seal them so they stay clear. Aim the beams against a wall so the cutoffs match. No cross-eyed look. Clean inside glass with a glass-only towel to avoid lint. The car photographs sharper and feels safer at night. Confidence rises, excuses fall. Next up, the stance. Because how a car sits is how a buyer feels. Task number 4. Repair stance. Suspension wear and tired tires. Saggy springs, blown struts, and dead top mounts make any car feel old. Replace the worst corners or refresh in pairs. New mounts kill clunks and sharpen steering. Tires matter twice. They ride better and they broadcast owner cared. A solid mid-range tire beats a famous brand worn to cords every time. Set pressures cold, chalk sidewalls for clean photos, and show tread depth. A quiet, level ride makes buyers stop thinking about parts and start thinking about payment. With the body poised, give the paint a fair chance without fake gloss. Task number 3. Decon and protect paint. Skip greasy cover-ups. Wash and shade, use an iron remover, then clay lightly to lift embedded grit. Hit only what needs it with a finishing polish on a dual-action machine. Don't chase scars you can't safely reach. Seal with a modern spray ceramic or polymer. Dress trim matte, not wet. Pressure wash wheel wells and mist them with a water-based dressing so arches look new. Shoot your photos in overcast or golden hour. Real shine plus easy cleaning helps the car stay crisp through test drives. Looks good? Great. Now make the paperwork look even better. Task number 2. Clean the title, history, and keys before you list. Typos and missing liens sink deals. Pull your vehicle history report, fix clerical errors, and keep lien releases ready. If a fender repair shows, include photos and invoices with OEM parts and alignment specs. Program a second key if you only have one. Missing keys trigger anxiety and discounts. Bundle manuals, window sticker, and service records in a clear sleeve. When paperwork is boring, buyers relax. Relaxed buyers pay more. One more move turns good car into great first minute. Task number 1. Perfect starts. Battery, terminals, grounds, software. Load test the battery, clean and torque clamps, and check the engine to chassis ground strap. Replace a marginal battery now. Nothing kills a price faster than a slow crank. Verify alternator output under load. Update engine and transmission software if a bulletin exists. Smoother idle and shifts feel like new hardware. Cold start, idle, hot restart, every time, on cue with the buyer watching. Perfect first moments buy you patience for the rest of the drive. With the work done, present it like a pro.
How to present the work so value shows before a buyer arrives. Use high-resolution photos, wide exteriors, straight side profiles, close wheels and wells, door jambs, VIN tag, cold start dash lights, alignment printout, fluid receipts, tread depth close-up. In the description, bullet the maintenance by date and brand, then end with pre-purchase inspections welcome. That one line converts skeptics into appointments. If you have winter wheels, show them clean and bagged. If you fixed a leak, add the invoice plus an after photo of the dry area. Evidence beats adjectives every time. A simple 1-week prep plan that turns chores into money. Day 1, pull history, list needs, order parts. Day 2, touch points and cabin reset. Day 3, fluids and battery. Day 4, tires, balance, alignment. Day 5, minor leaks and bake lane. Day 6, paint decon and protection. Day 7, photos, paperwork scan, and listing. Keep every receipt in a sleeve ready for test drives, and stick the alignment printout on top. When the work is organized, your price feels justified before anyone grabs the door handle. Common mistakes that trash resale even after good work. Slingy tire shine on tread, it flings and smokes. Glossy engine dressing, it screams cover-up. Mismatched bulb colors, missing floor mats, warning lights that just came on, and garage night photos. Skip perfume bumps, neutral air wins. Don't reset the ECU right before a showing. Readiness monitors will be not ready, and inspections will stall. If your area needs a test, get the pass first and show it. Be candid about tiny flaws and price accordingly. Honesty steals the lowballer's best line. Resale isn't one giant fix. It's a stack of small visible wins backed by quiet, invisible ones. Refresh touch points. Reset the cabin. Align and road force with proof. Seal leaks. Service fluids by the book. Fix the view. Repair stance. Decon and protect paint. Clean the paperwork. Guarantee perfect starts. Present the car the way you'd want to buy it. Real photos, real records, and a test drive that feels like a new car you can actually afford. Do these 10 things and you don't just ask for more, you earn it, and the right buyer will feel that the moment they sit down and turn the key.